Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and today I'm just doing a little video. It's quite a simple thing, but I'm going to be doing a oil change on Norman because it has been about 7,000 miles since the last oil change. And I just figured I'd do a little video on it because why not? I'm going to try something a little different this oil change. I'm going to try using a magnetic sump plug. And then over the course of the next 7,000 miles, when I change it again, we'll see if it actually does work or not. But what I've chosen for today is this stuff. So I used this stuff before and it's pretty good. The Shell Helix Ultra 5W30 fully synthetic. It's quite good stuff. I've got my main oil there and my top up just in case. Norman doesn't tend to drink that much oil, so I shouldn't really have to use all that, but I like to have it just in case. And obviously the oil filter, I've just gone for the most expensive one. I don't really like cheaping out on oil filters. It only costs £7, so I'm not really that bothered. And it's not really expensive.